Hi there, this is Trifonas Papadopoulos. Today I'm gonna show you how you can add a month, year and year columns with a simple VBA macro. This VBA you're gonna be seeing automates the process of adding 2 year columns to a worksheet, one for month, year and another for year, based on a date column. It also formats the columns, applies filters and ensures the new data is readable. Here's how you can do that. Okay, I'm gonna delete these 2 columns and I'm gonna press this button, add month, year and year columns. As you can see, you have new columns here. The first one is named month, year, and the second one is year. So now you can scroll and see that for each date here you have the month and year, and here you have only the year. Here is the macro to do that. The macro name is sub AddMonthYearColumn. And this macro, you can find it on my blog. Here is this post, how to add month, year and year columns with a simple VBA macro. Here is the code, and here is the VBA code in HTML format. Okay, this is it. I hope you find this tutorial interesting, and if you do, please subscribe. Thank you very much.